Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix iPhone 7 yellow screen. Though your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus comes with a top-tier screen delivering vibrant images in crisp high resolution, sometimes this happens. The display on iPhone 7 has a yellow tint or the screen becomes all yellow with lines suddenly. A common cause is that maybe you adjust the color filter and make the screen show with a yellowish tint. But when you're not, there are other potential factors leading to iPhone 7 yellow screen problems. For example, mistaken configuration on other display brightness settings, system glitches, outdated iOS, dislodged LCD screen connector, and so on. But fret not. We've got you covered with a few trustworthy fixes to solve iPhone 7 yellow screen and turn the display back to its normal color balance. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Disable color filters in Settings app. The color filters on your iPhone control the color tint and intensity of the display backlight. If it's set to the yellow filter, your iPhone 7 will change the standard white light to a yellow tint, making the screen resolution look yellowish. If this is your case, you can turn off the color filter to fix a yellow iPhone 7 display. Here's the guidance. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Tap Accessibility. Choose Display Accommodations. Select Color Filters. See if it's set to yellow filter. If so, just move the green slider of color filters to gray to turn it off. Now, go back to the home screen and see if the yellow tint on iPhone 7 screen is removed. Step 2. Turn off Night Shift and True Tone feature. After disabling the color filter, the next step is to check the Night Shift or True Tone feature. If one of them is on, it'll make the screen more yellowish. Here's the guidance to get rid of the iPhone 7 yellowish screen tint. Swipe up from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Locate the brightness section shown with a sun icon and long press it. From there, tap to turn off the night shift icon if it's on. Tap to disable the true tone icon if it's on. Then, go back to the home screen and the iPhone 7 yellow screen glitch should be fixed. Step 3. Force restart your iPhone 7. If your iPhone 7 has been showing a yellow screen without any apps and icons, it looks like the device has a yellow screen of death issue. As it might not allow you to touch anything on the display, try to force restart the device. This can refresh the display and brightness settings and bring the device back to normal status to fix iPhone 7 yellow screen of death. Here's the guidance. Press and hold both the volume down button and the power button at the same time. The screen should then become black. When an Apple logo appears, let go of both buttons and let it boot up itself. If everything goes well, it should get iPhone 7 off yellow mode and make the display color back to standard mode. Step 4. Update iPhone 7 in recovery mode. It's possible that the problem of a yellow tint or yellow screen on iPhone 7 is caused by iOS errors. If so, Apple should be aware of that and bring out the related fix in the newly released iOS firmware. You can install the latest software on your iPhone 7 to fix the yellow screen. If you can't do the update through the Settings app, consider the recovery mode way using a computer. Here's the guidance. Get a computer, and open Apple devices, iTunes or Finder after installing one of them. Get your iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus connected to the computer, then press some buttons to enter recovery mode. This is an official mode and safe, so feel free to try. It won't damage your phone. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons even when you see the Apple logo flashes. When the recovery mode screen pops up showing a laptop and cable, release both buttons and head to the computer. A dialog should be there showing you the update and restore options. If you don't see it, let us know in the description below and we'll help you fix it. Click the Update option. Complete the on-screen instructions to start the update procedure. As the update procedure may take longer than 1 hour to finish, you may need to keep an eye on your iPhone 7 and put it back to the recovery mode if it exits. Once done, see if this iPhone 7 yellow screen solution works for you to bring the display back to its normal color mode. Step 5. Fix yellow screen on iPhone 7 via a reset. If you still end up with a yellow screen on iPhone 7, a reset is worth a try before you head to the repair store. It resets everything to exactly how it was when you first purchased the phone. If there is an unknown system error making your iPhone 7 screen turn yellow, A factory reset is enough to delete any of them and give you a clean slate of the phone. Though you don't need to figure out what's wrong, it deletes all your personal data. So, you're only advised to attempt the reset method when there is a data backup or you don't care about the data inside the device. Here's the guidance. Open Apple devices, iTunes or Finder and connect your iPhone 7 to the computer. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button at the same time for a while until you see the recovery mode screen appear. On the computer, choose the restore option from the opening dialog box. Complete the on-screen instructions to start the restore procedure. Once done, you should no longer see a yellow screen on iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus anymore. Step 6. Visit the official repair store. Yes, this is your last-ditch option to fix an iPhone 7 with a yellow screen. When a reset fails to fix the screen yellow tint, it often indicates that the culprit is the hardware component. The quick way is to use the online service to seek help from Apple. If you want to visit in person, make an appointment with Apple first before heading to a local Apple support. That's all for how to fix yellow death screen on iPhone 7 or iPhone 7 Plus. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.